Securing a new car using promissory notes and non-UCC filings. Structure overview. Entity A, lender, a business trust providing financing. Entity B, borrower, another business trust receiving the asset and loan collateral, example, a Ferrari. Steps 1. Draft a secured promissory note. Terms, amount loaned, interest rate, repayment schedule, default terms, and collateral. Ferrari. 2. Create a security agreement. Details. Collateral specifies lender's rights upon default, identifies jurisdiction, contract law, common law, constitutional law. 3. File a non-UCC financing statement. Unlike UCC 1, public, a non-UCC is private. Use registered mail number for timestamped proof. Includes debtor, entity B, secured party, entity A, and asset description. 4. If real estate, record a deed of trust at the county recorder's office. Understanding non-UCC. Non-UCC filings are private lien instruments not governed by the Uniform Commercial Code, commonly used in trust agreements, PMAs, and private transactions. Accessing the asset, business credit and trade lines. Options for acquiring a Ferrari. Use personal or business credit to finance assets. Secure unsecured personal loans treated like auto loans. Use line of credit to pay seller in full in a private sale, e.g., Facebook Marketplace. Building business credit. 1. Establish and optimize business entity. 2. Set up Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 accounts. 3. Apply for $100K, $250K in business credit, 0% APR. Conclusion, action, responsibility and honor. Success equals knowledge plus action. Stay in honor, act in good faith, and build a future with private assets and funding.